How I built a YouTube channel that makes over $10,000 per month, without showing my face, without recording my voice, and without spending a single dollar on tools. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. I'll show you exactly how I did it using only free AI tools. First, I picked a profitable and evergreen niche. I used Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions to find high-demand topics. My top picks? Finance, motivation, AI, tech reviews, and celebrity news. I chose one that I was curious about and that had consistent interest year-round. Next, I needed video ideas. I asked ChatGPT, give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas in the finance niche. Boom, instant content inspiration. I picked topics that people were already searching for. Then, I used ChatGPT again to write full video scripts. Just type, write a 5-minute YouTube script on how to save money fast. Within seconds, I had a polished script ready for narration. I didn't want to use my voice, so I used free tools like ElevenLabs, free tier, and TTTSMP3.com. These gave me realistic AI voices that sound like real humans. Choose a clear, engaging voice that fits your niche. I use free stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay. Sometimes I generated custom images using Bing Image Creator. Then I combined everything using CapCut, a powerful free video editor. I added background music from YouTube's free audio library, used smooth transitions, and added automatic subtitles in CapCut. Clean, professional, and 100% free. A great video is nothing without a great thumbnail. I designed mine in Canva using free templates. For titles, I used TubeBuddy and VidIQ to find high-ranking keywords. Click-through rates went up instantly. I posted 3-5 videos per week, each one better than the last. YouTube started pushing my content once I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once monetized, I made money from ads, then I added affiliate links in my descriptions, and later I sold digital products related to my niche. Multiple income streams from a Faceless channel. Month 1, $0 month 2, $45 month 3, $300 month 5, over $10,000, combining AdSense and affiliate income. All from free AI tools and consistent effort. So if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, there's no excuse. Use the free tools, be consistent, and most importantly, start today.